In this video, we'll be learning about the indexers. Let's start with an example. Let's say we have a string A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, most of you probably already know that if I wanted to access the third character of this string, the character C, I could write something like that. And when I print it out to the console, I get C. This is possible because the string class has an indexer, so we can access any character within via an integer index. We can define indexers in our custom types that wrap a dictionary, array, or a list. Let's see this in action. I'll create two classes, the order class and a product class. The product class will only have name property, and the order class is going to have a list of products inside it. Now let's go to the program.cs and create an instance of an order class. I'll also fill in the products list and populate it with some random product names. If I wanted to access the second element in the products array by writing this, I would have to go to the order class and define an indexer there. To define an indexer, we start by typing public and then the return type, which is a product, and then the key part is the keyword this. Now, instead of the regular parentheses, we use the square brackets here, and inside we define an integer param and name it index, for example. Inside we have to define at least one accessor, and I will define a get accessor in a way that it returns the product element at index that we passed in. Please note that this can throw argument null exception or argument out of range exception, so make sure you handle that appropriately in the calling code. Now when we go back to the program file, the error is gone. And let's prove that this works by printing out this variable to the console. In the output we get a second product, and that's exactly what we wanted to achieve here. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.